Start by installing side rails per standard instructions. Then clean and wipe rear surface of bed cap with alcohol pad. With bulb side up, align and adhere bulb and wiper seal to end of bed cap, ensuring seal contacts side of bed and seal on side rail. Trim excess seal. Firmly press adhesive along seal. Next, wipe vertical surface of bed cap with alcohol pad. Cut bulb and wiper seal to 1.25 inch. Align and adhere seal with bulb side up and adhere flush with bed cap. Firmly press adhesive along seal. Repeat to install seal on opposite side rail. Now wipe vertical surface of midgate above lip of midgate and cab fairing with alcohol pad. Then apply primer and allow to dry. Peel protective backing as you go. Align and adhere seal gasket along vertical surface of midgate. Trim excess and firmly press adhesive along seal. Next, align seal gasket, flush on cab fairing, and ensure seal contacts bed cap, bulb and wiper seal, and midgate seal gasket. Then cut to length. Adhere seal gasket and firmly press adhesive along seal. Repeat on opposite side. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.